you go to...
Shit.
No, it's something about dinner.
Uh-huh.
Look where you go to after... What kind of dinner is this?
After what?
Go to after... I can't read that word.
What is that? What letter?
That's a big word.
After
Dumb.
Sound it out.
saying...
Okay.
Look where you go to after saying dinner?
Uh-huh.
I have to go outside now? The Lexus is in the backyard.
I told you.
Where do you go to directly after saying dinner?
After
Oh!
saying,
Oh! Maria, we gotta go to your food. I just got banned for the poor puppy.